The F-14 Tomcat, a legendary fighter jet, embodies both power and history. Let's delve into why it's considered such a badass plane. Designed for a war that never happened, the F-14 was designed during the Cold War era, with the anticipation of a large-scale conflict between superpowers. However, that war never materialized. Despite this, the F-14's capabilities were impressive, making it a formidable adversary. Top Gun fame. The F-14 gained iconic status thanks to the movie Top Gun, where it was prominently featured. Tom Cruise's portrayal of a fighter pilot further elevated its cool factor. Real-life dogfighting. In August 1981, during a tense standoff in the Mediterranean Sea near Libya, F-14s engaged in a dogfight. Lieutenant Larry Music Machinsky recounted the moment when an F-14 scored its first air-to-air victory by shooting down a Libyan aircraft. Aeminous 9-liter missile maneuver. The F-14 pilot fired an Aeminous 9-liter Sidewinder missile, which initially missed but then executed a remarkable 90-degree reversal to hit the enemy plane. The Libyan aircraft went down, showcasing the F-14's lethal capabilities. Endangered species. Despite its prowess, the F-14 faced retirement due to changing military priorities, but remains a symbol of an era when carrier-based fighters ruled the skies. The F-14 Tomcat, a carrier-based fighter, was purpose-built to defend America's aircraft carriers. The F-14 Tomcat was an air superiority fighter that left no room for compromise. The key points about this remarkable aircraft are origins and purpose. During the Cold War, the Navy needed a frontline defense fighter for carrier strike groups. The F-14 was designed to engage inbound bombers at high speed, keeping carriers safe. Speed, range, and maneuverability. The F-14's 64-foot wingspan and powerful General Electric F-110 G400 engines allowed it to exceed Mach 2.34 at altitude. It covered up to 1,600 miles without refueling, with a combat range of around 1,000 miles. Pilots compared flying it to sitting in a Cadillac smooth and responsive. Variable geometry wings. Grumman Aerospace proposed a design with variable geometry wings. During takeoff and low-speed flight, the wings expanded for greater lift. But supersonic speeds, the wings tucked back, optimizing efficiency. Advanced radar system, a WG-9. The WG-9 radar had a range of up to 195 miles. It utilized one of the first microprocessors on a fighter jet. The system could track up to 24 enemy aircraft simultaneously. Targeting capabilities. The F-14's radar could engage airborne cruise missiles. The ALR-23 infrared search and track sensor was eventually replaced with an optical sensor, skipping prototypes. The Navy was so impressed that it skipped the prototype phase. Production began in 1969, and the F-14 became a vital part of naval aviation. Formidable armament. With 10 hardpoints and a 14,500-pound weapons payload capacity, the F-14 was well armed. The AIM-54 Phoenix missile was its lethal air-to-air weapon. The F-14 Tomcat's innovative design, speed, technology, adaptability, and firepower made it a true badass in the skies. The F-14 Tomcat's journey from Cold War warrior to retirement is a fascinating tale. Post-Soviet era. After the Soviet Union's collapse in 1991, the F-14 faced a new reality. Upgrades, including the Tactical Airborne Reconnaissance Pod System, TARPS, extended its capabilities. Challenges and adaptations. The F-14 was costly to maintain and complex to operate compared to newer competitors like the F/A-18 Hornet. During the Gulf War, its dated systems struggled to differentiate friend from foe. Super Hornet takes over. The less expensive F/A-18 Super Hornet became the Navy's preferred choice. In 2006, the F-14 retired, making way for the Super Hornet. Top Gun's influence. The movie Top Gun boosted Navy recruitment, with the F-14 stealing the show. Tomcats became aspirational symbols for young aviators. Legacy and future. Despite retirement, F-14 innovations live on in other fighter platforms. Elements of the Tomcat may resurface in America's upcoming air superiority fighter, the PCA. In summary, the F-14 Tomcat's legacy lives on, a testament to its badassery and the skilled pilots who flew it. The F-14 Tomcat's impact extends beyond its service years, leaving an indelible mark on aviation history. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the F-14 Tomcat, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating content on legendary military aircraft. Stay tuned for more thrilling insights and stories from the world of aviation. Thank you for watching.